students. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 13, volume. In this chapter, our topic is brain teasers. Let's start. Question number 1. The length of a cuboid is 10 cm, breadth is 8 cm and height is 2 cm less than breadth. Find the volume of a cuboid. Let's write the solution. Look, in this question, length of the cuboid is equal to 10 cm. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to 8 cm. Height of the cuboid is equal to 2 cm less than breadth. And breadth is 8 cm. So 2 cm less than breadth means 8 cm minus 2 cm, we get 6 cm. So height of the cuboid is 6 cm. And if we know the length, breadth and height of the cuboid, we can easily find the volume of the cuboid. And we know that volume of the cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now put the value. 10 cm multiplied by 8 cm multiplied by 6 cm. Now do the multiplication. 8 6 ja 48 and 48 multiplied by 10 is equal to 480. So volume of the cuboid is 480 cubic centimeter. Next is question number 2. A cubical box of each 10 cm is 1/4 filled with salt. Find the volume of the salt. Can you tell me what we have to do in this question? Yes, first we will find out the volume of the cubical box and then we will find the volume of the salt. How? Let's see. Look, in this question, age of the cubical box is equal to 10 cm and volume of the salt we have to find out. We know that volume of the cubical box is equal to age multiplied by age multiplied by age. Now put the value. Look, age of the cubical box is equal to 10 cm. So write down 10 cm multiplied by 10 cm multiplied by 10 cm. Now do the multiplication. 10 tens are 100 and 100 tens are 1000. So volume of the cubical box is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. But the question is find the volume of the salt. So what we have to do? Look, 1/4 of the cubical box is filled with salt. And 1/4 means 1/4. That means if we divide volume of the cubical box by 4, we get volume of the salt. So write down volume of the salt is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter divided by 4. And if we divide 1000 cubic centimeter by 4, we get 250 cubic centimeter. So volume of the salt is 250 cubic centimeter. Next is question number 3. Find the volume of a box of length 9 cm, breadth 5 cm and height 3 cm. Can you tell me which formula we have to use in this question? Yes, volume of the cuboid because length, breadth and height are different. Let's start solution. Look, in this question, length of the box is equal to 9 cm, breadth of the box is equal to 5 cm and height of the box is equal to 3 cm and volume of the box we have to find out. We know that volume of the box is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now put the value. 9 cm multiplied by 5 cm multiplied by 3 cm. Now do the multiplication. 5 3s are 15 and 15 9s are 135. So volume of the box is 135. Do you find anything is missing? Yes, unit is missing. So write down cubic centimeter. So volume of the box is equal to 135 cubic centimeter. The next is question number 4. Find the volume of a cubical box of age 8 cm. Let's start solution. Age of the cubical box is equal to 8 cm. Since it is cubical box, that means all the edges are equal in length. And volume of the cubical box we have to find out. We know that volume of the cubical box is equal to age multiplied by age multiplied by age. Look, the age of cubical box is equal to 8 cm. So write down 8 cm multiplied by 8 cm multiplied by 8 cm. Now do the multiplication. 8 8s are 64 and 64 8s are 512. So volume of the cubical box is equal to 512. But what about centimeter multiplied by centimeter multiplied by centimeter? Yes, it is cubic centimeter. So write down volume of the cubical box is equal to 512 cubic centimeter. The next is question number 5. Which one has more volume? A cuboid of length 7 cm, breadth 5 cm and height 4 cm, or a cube of age 6 cm? Look, in this question, there is a comparison between cube and cuboid. First, we will find out the volume of cuboid and then we will find out the volume of cube. And by comparison, we will find out which one has more volume. How? Let's see. Let's start with volume of the cuboid. Length of the cuboid is equal to 7 cm. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to 5 cm. Height of the cuboid is equal to 4 cm. And volume of the cuboid we have to find out. We know that volume of the cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now put the value. 7 cm multiplied by 5 cm multiplied by 4 cm. Now do the multiplication. 4 5s are 20 and 27s are 140. So volume of the cuboid is equal to 140 cubic centimeter. We will find out volume of the cube. See, age of the cube is equal to 6 cm and volume of the cube we have to find out. We know that volume of the cube is equal to age multiplied by age multiplied by age. Now put the value. 6 cm multiplied by 6 cm multiplied by 6 cm. Now do the multiplication. 6 6 ja 36 and 36 6 ja 216. So volume of the cube is equal to 216 cubic centimeter. So what you observe? Volume of the cuboid is 140 cubic centimeter and volume of the cube is 216 cubic centimeter. So which one has more volume? Yes, the cube. So write down the cube has more volume. Last is question number 6. The age of the cubical box is 6 cm. Half of the box is filled with sand. What is the volume of the sand? Let's write the solution. Age of the cubical box is equal to 6 cm and volume of the sand we have to find out. For that, first we will find out volume of the cubical box. And we know that volume of the cubical box is equal to age multiplied by age multiplied by age. Now put the value. 6 cm multiplied by 6 cm multiplied by 6 cm. Now do the multiplication. 6 6 ja 36 and 36 6 ja 216. So volume of the cubical box is equal to 216 cubic centimeter. But half of the cubical box is filled with sand and half means 1 upon 2. So if we divide volume of the cubical box by 2, we get volume of the sand. So write down volume of the sand is equal to 216 cubic centimeter divided by 2. And if we divide 216 cubic centimeter by 2, we get 108 cubic centimeter. So volume of the sand is 108 cubic centimeter. So students, practice is the best way for you to understand maths. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.